Good evening, guys. Welcome back. Welcome back with the additional of today's newspaper on Tuesday, October the 22nd, 2024. We have here 7 extra puzzles. Letter Sudoku, 2 stars, 3 stars, 4 star Sudoku. We have 2 jigsaw Sudokus, one with 4 stars, one with 1 star. In Dutch they call it cipher block, in Japanese Suguru. And the last puzzle is the binary puzzle. These puzzles I'm not interested. Total of 7 extra puzzles. 4 of them I will solve this evening. Not now. Now. I believe it meant now. Why not all? Well, it's too much for me, time consuming, and I need the same time for uploading it to YouTube. Yeah, otherwise it will be a day job for me. Alright, the first one, the 3 star Sudoku number 9470. And before I start, I always count the printed digits. Well, this one has 24. Cannot believe it's 24. Usually the 3 stars has 25. This should be a 4 stars puzzle. And for 4 stars puzzle, I need 30 minutes or more. 30 minutes or more. Question is this a 4 stars or 3 stars? For 3 stars, I need 20 to 30 minutes. Alright, so let's get started. Let me scan the puzzle. We have a 1-1. We have here 3-2, 4 2s. Alright. We have here 1 2 3 4. Here 1 3, 3 4s, 1 5, 3 6s, 3 7s, 3 8s, and 4 9s. So the 2s and the 9s are in majority. Can I start with the 9? 9 in the last column, 9 in that column, so the column 3 now only 2 places. Level 9 should be here or there. We have a 9 this row, no 9 there, 9 should be there. The 9 in this row, the 9 in that row, so the row between the middle row, the only 2 places. Level 9 should be here or there. We have a 9 in the first column, no 9 there, 9 should be here. 9 9. 9 9 9. How about the 2 in the last row? 2 in a row above. So that row, the only place level 2 should be there. 2 2. 2 2. Well. 3 missing numbers in this big square. One of missing numbers 1. We have 1 in this one, no 1 in these 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 1 in this big square. Should be there. So 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers 1 to 2. 3 is missing. The 4 to 5 to 6. 7 is missing. 3 and 7, 3 and 7. We have 7 in the last column, no 7 there. 7 should be here, and the 3 goes there. 7 in this column, 7 in the last column, so the column 3, no, only 2 places left. The 7 should be here or there. We have a 7 in this row, no 7 there. 7 should be there. 7 7. Come on. Well, 5 4 4 in the third row, 4 in the second row. So in the first row, the only 2 places left. 4 should be here or there. We have a 4 in this column, no 4 there. 4 should be here. 4 4. 4 the 8 should be here. How about? Well, in this big square we have 1 2 3 4 5 missing numbers in this big square. 2 of those missing numbers are the 3 and 8. We have 3 and 8 in the last column, so no 3 and 8 in these 2 boxes. We have 3 and 8 in this row, first row, so no 3 and 8 in that box. So the 3 and 8 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 3 and 8, 3 and 8. Alright. So the 1, the 5, and the 6. Need a 6 here. 1, 5. Okay. Need a 3 here. How about? Need a 6 here, need a 9 there. Come on. Ay. This one is tough one. Need a 5 here. Need a 5 here. Need a 1. Need a 3. Need a 2. Need a 2 here. Let me put some numbers. 9 in this third column, 9 in the first column. So in the column 3, in the second column, only 2 places left for 9. Could be here, could be there. 5, 9. 2 in the third column, 2 in the second column. So in the first column, only 2 places left for 2. Could be here, could be there. 5. No 2. 2 in this row, 2 in the second row, so in the third row, only 3 places left. The 2 should be here. Or there, we have a 2 in this column, no 2 there. 2 could be here, could be there. Need 8 here. 6 in this row, 6 in the row below, so last row, only 2 places left. 6 could be here, could be there. Need a 7 here. 7. Yeah. How about? I'm thinking. 4. Yeah. 6 in this column, 6 in the column next, so last column, only 2 places left. 6 could be there. 3, 8, and need a 5 here. Well, these 3 missing numbers in this column are the numbers. The 1, the 2, 3 is missing. The 4, the 5 is missing. The 6, the 7, and 8 is missing. 3, 5, 8. 3, 5, 8, 3, 5, 8, 3, 5, 8. And look at 3 and 8 in this row. So no 3 and 8 in this box. 3 and 8 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. So 1 digit left should be the 5. 2 numbers left now in this big square. 4 numbers. 1 is missing. 1 and a 6. Let me mark those. 2 numbers left now in the last column. 4 numbers. The 1, the 2, 3, 4 is missing. 5 is missing. 4 and 5. We have a 5 in this row. No 5 there. 5 should be here. And the 4 goes and there. 5 in this row, 5 in the middle row, so the row above, the only 2 places left for 5. Could be here, could be there. 4. 4, need a 4 here. Yeah. Come on. Well. The 9, the 6, and the 1. 3 missing numbers in the first row. Those missing numbers are 1 is missing, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, 6 is missing, the 7, 8, and 9 is missing. 1, 6, 9. 1, 6, 9, 1, 6, 9, 1, 6, 9. And look for 6 and the 9 in this column. So those 6 and 9 in this box. 6 and the 9 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. So 1 digit left in this first row for number 1. 1. Come on. This is taking too long. Need a 4 here. Need a 5 there. 5. In this big square, we need a 5. We have a 5 in the first column, no 5 in these 2 boxes. We have a 5 in this last row, no 5 in those 2 boxes. So the 5 in this big square could be here, could be there. 5 in one of those 2 boxes in this row, 5 in the last row. So the row between only 2 places left. The 5 could be here, could be there. So here we have a 5, and here we have a 5. That means in the middle column, the only place left for the 5 should be here then. Yeah. Because here can be 5. We have a 5 in this row, no 5 there. Here can be 5, we have a 5 in one of those two boxes in this row, no 5 there. Here can be 5, we have 5 in the middle row, no 5 there. So the only place left with 5 should be here. And I've eliminated 2, so 2 goes there. 2 in this column, 2 in that column, so the column 3 in the middle column, the only place left with 2 should be there. 2 numbers left now in the middle column for numbers 1, the 2. 3 is missing, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, 8 is missing, 3 and 8, 3 and 8. We have 8 in the last row, no 8 there. 8 should be here, the 3 goes there. The 8 in this row, the 8 in the last row, so the row between, the only place left with 8 should be there. 8 in this column, 8 in the second column, so the fifth column, the only 2 places left with 8. Could be here, could be there. 2 numbers left now in this row for numbers 1, the 2, the 3, the 4. 5 is missing, the 6, the 7, 8, 9 is missing, 5 and 9, 5 and 9. Let me mark those 2 boxes. Need a 5 here. Then need a 3. 3 in this row, last row, 3 in a row above, so that row, the only 3 places left for the 3 should be here, or there. We have a 3 in the first column, no 3 there, so the 3 goes together with the 5 as a pair. So 3 missing numbers, the 1, the 2, the 3, 4 is missing. We have a 4 in this column, no 4 there, so the 4 could be here, could be there. The 5, 6 is missing. We have a 6 here. And the 7 is missing. 7 could be here. Here can be 7, we have 7 in this column, so it could be there. 7, 4, I need a 1 here. Yeah, in this row. The 1 could be here, could be there. 1, 7, 4, okay. 3, 8, how about 6, 9? 1, 2, need a 3. Well, in this big square we need a 9. We have a 9 in this row, so no 9 in these 2 boxes. So the 9 could be here, could be there. So we have a 9 in one of those 2 boxes in this column. So this box can be 9 and more. That box should be a 9 and this box should be a 5. Mark those 2 boxes with 5. We have a 5 in this column, so no 5 there. 5 should be there. 1, 2, 3, need a 4. 4, 6, 7, 4, 6, 7. 4, 6, 7. 5, 5, 5. Mark those 2 boxes over with 2. We have a 2 now in the middle row, so no 2 there. 2 should be here. 2 in this row, 2 in the middle row, so in the row below, the only place left with the 2 should be there. 1 in one of those 2 boxes in the last column, 1 in the column next. So that column, the only 2 places left with 1 could be here, could be there. 6, 9, and 3. I need a 3 here. We have a 3 in one of those 2 boxes in this row, so no 3 there. So the 3 could be here, could be there. 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2. You have all the 2s, and all the 2s are used. I can't see. Digit number 1, number 2. Need a 1 here. 5 in this row, 5 in the third row, so the row between the second row, the only 2 places left, the 5 should be here or there. We have a 5 in this column, no 5 there, 5 should be there. 3 and a 5, we have a 5 now in the third column, no 5 there, 5 should be here, and the 3 goes there. And we have all the 5s, and all the 5s are used. I can't see. Digit number 2, number 5. 6, 7, 8. Yeah. 8, 8. 8. Do we have 8 here? 8. 8, 8, 8. Need an 8 there. 8. 8. Could be an 8 here. Well, here can be 3. And I need a 3 here. Come on. 7 and a 4. Yeah. 9. Need a 9 there. 9. Need a 9 here. 1, 2, 3, 4. I'm thinking. 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 4. We have a 4 in this one, no 4 in these two boxes. We have 4 in the third column, no 4 in those two boxes. So the 4 could be here, could be there. 50 minutes already passed. Need to hurry. How about the 7? In this big square, we need a 7. We have a 7 in the second column, no 7 in these two boxes. So the 7 in this big square could be here, could be there. So we have a 7 in one of those two boxes in the first column. 7 in the second column. So in the third column, the only place left is 7 should be there. And I've eliminated here the 6, so the 6 goes there. And I've eliminated here the 4, so the 4 goes here. Mark those two boxes with the 4. We have a 4 in this column, so no 4 there. 4 should be here. Then 2 numbers left in this row for numbers. The 1 is missing 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 is missing 1 and a 7. That means 1 number left in this big square for number 1, 2, 3, 4 is missing here. 4 in this row, 4 in that row. So the row between the middle row, the only 2 places left, the 4 should be here. Or there, we have a 4 in this column, no 4 there, 4 should be here. 2 numbers left in the third column for numbers 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5. 6 is missing, 6 and 8, 6 and 8. Let me mark those. So we have a 6 in one of those two boxes. In the third column, 6 in the second column. So the first column, the only 2 places left, the 6 goes together with the 7 as pair. So here cannot be a 6 or a 9. This box should be 9 then. And 1 box left in the first row for number 6 then. Alright. So if we eliminated here the 9, so the 9 goes here then. 1 box left in this big square for number 1 then. 1 and 6, we have 1 in this row, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and 6 goes there. 6 and 7, we have a 6 in the third row, no 6 there. 6 should be here, and the 7 goes there. 2 numbers left in this big square from us. The 1 and the 2. 3 is missing, the 4, the 5, the 6, 7 is missing. 3 and 7, 3 and 7. Let me mark those. Here, 1 and a 7. 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers. The 1 is missing, the 2 and the 3 is missing. 1 and 3, 1 and 3. We have a 1 in the second column, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and the 3 goes there. Then 3, 3. 1, 7, 9, 4, 2. Mark those two boxes earlier with 1. We have a 1 in the middle row, no 1 there. 1 should be there. So 2 numbers left, 1 numbers. 3 and 8. Yeah, here also 3 and 8. We have an 8 in this column, so no 8 there. 8 should be here, and a 3 goes there. 1 box left in this big square for number 3. 3 and 8. We have a 3 in this column, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and 8 goes there. 3 and a 7. We have a 3 in this column, no 3 there. 3 should be here. 7 goes there. 1 and a 7. We have a 7 in this column, no 7 there. 7 should be here, and a 1 goes there. 1 in this column, 1 in the middle column, so the column next, the only 2 places left for the 1 should be here. Or there, we have 1 in this row, no 1 there, 1 should be there. 2 numbers left now in this big square for numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 6 is missing, the 7 and 8 is missing. 6 and 8, 6 and 8. We have a 6 in this column, no 6 there. 6 should be here. 8 goes there. 6 and 8, we have 8 now in this row, no 8 there. 8 should be here, and the 6 goes there. Finished in 19 minutes. Wow. Let me give this a 2 stars. I'm faster than 20 minutes, so I'm well pleased with the time. Although it's a 4 stars puzzle, but we solve it again, and I like this one, yes I really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve by yourself. Thank you again for watching. See you in a minute with the other 3 puzzles. Until then, bye bye for now.